like it's breathing.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's breathing. Christy. The second one's long hair. The other one's short hair. You got a lot long. Oh, is that another one, or is that the placenta? Nope, she's having another one. I think it's another one coming out. I don't know.
Where'd the other one go?
She's under her right leg. It's another baby. Wow, how that's two that fast.
Huh?
Two that fast. That one's kicking away. She hasn't got the umbilical cord off that one yet. Do you have that dental floss?
What?
Do you have a dental floss to... Two. Yeah. I don't think she's got the umbilical cord off. Well, she's got one off. But the other one, it's not connected to her, but it's still really long. This one's brown, like her.
Third one?
Mm-hmm. Huge umbilical cord here. The other one's trying to feed. They're still trying to feed.